Hey everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a time series plot using a dataset. So let's get started. I'll head over to my flows and click on new flow. I will name it as time series and create the flow. Then you head over to file manager and upload your data set. Upload. And it's ready. So now you head over to plot dashboard, that's right under the file manager option. Click on that, click on create plot. Now we have to make a time series plot, so we'll select that. Now you select the data you have just uploaded and continue. Now for x-axis, you select date. You can also select the time interval. It's completely optional, but I'll select monthly. For x-axis, I'm going to choose birth. And you can explore these options if you want, but I'll keep it simple and click on create plot. And your plot is ready. You can see the monthly distribution of births over time. And in just a few simple steps, you have created yourself a time series plot. If you have any confusion about or you want to learn more about time series forecasting, you can definitely check out a playlist that is already on YouTube on how to train AI model, use it to run inference and deploy it as live API. I will mention the link of the playlist in the description box below. Do check it out. Also, you can check out our documentation. But first, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.